How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom option. If you want to disable your Instagram profile picture zoom, then you can disable it in your Instagram. For that, just open your Instagram account, Instagram profile. As you can see at the top right side, there are three horizontal lines. Just click on these horizontal lines and scroll down. When you scroll down here, you can see who can see your content. There's an option called account privacy. Just click on account privacy. Before there was option at that place the account zoom disable, but now there is this option has been removed from this place. Now what you can do to disable your Instagram profile, for that now you can contact Instagram support and ask them to disable your profile zoom option. For that, just go back and scroll down at the bottom, and here you can see an option called help. Just click on help and click on report the problem. Now again here you can see it's asking you go back and share phone to report the problem. So go back and share your mobile phone. So now again click on report the problem. Here click on include and continue. Here ask Instagram support team, I want to disable my profile picture zoom, and simply click on send option. When you send, in 24 or 48 hours they will reply you back and you can ask them what you want. So this is the way now you can disable your Instagram profile picture zoom.